Hello, my name is Catherine Stein, and I'm the Scholarship and Stewardship Specialist at the VCU School of Nursing. Today, I will be sharing with you information regarding the School of Nursing scholarships for the 2023-2024 academic year. That includes the fall 2023, spring 2024, and summer 2024 semesters. We have over 100 scholarship funds at the VCU School of Nursing, and many of these funds award to multiple recipients. Here, you'll see a list of all the scholarships available to our undergraduate students. And here is a list of all scholarships open to graduate students. In 2022-2023, we awarded $2.2 million in scholarships to 400 students. Approximately 72% of students who applied for scholarships received some level of support, and the most common scholarship amount was between $3,000 and $6,000. In the upcoming academic year, we will award over $3 million in scholarships. The criteria for each scholarship varies based on the donor's wishes. Some examples of different criteria include need-based scholarships. A student's financial need is determined by a formula based on the FAFSA or VASA form. In order to qualify for a 23-24 need-based scholarship, a student must have a 23-24 FAFSA or VASA on file, in addition to the School of Nursing application. Please note that students who are not U.S. citizens but who are Virginia residents can complete the VASA in lieu of the FAFSA. You can contact the VCU Office of Financial Aid for more information on completing a FAFSA or VASA. Merit-based scholarships. Generally, these scholarships will have a GPA requirement of a 3.5 or higher. School year and degree program. Some scholarships are for students enrolled in a specific program, such as traditional BS, RN to BS, or PhD. Other scholarships require that a student be enrolled at a specific point in their program, such as a junior or senior. Nursing interests. Some scholarships are limited to students with specific interests in certain fields, like women's health, mental health, oncology, and more. Hometown. There are even some scholarships that are specific to where a student is from, certain counties in Virginia or certain states. And some scholarships have criteria that touch on more than one of these categories. To be eligible to receive a School of Nursing scholarship, you will need to fill out a scholarship application every academic year. There is one scholarship application to be considered for all School of Nursing internal scholarships. That said, there are external scholarships administered by outside organizations that we encourage you to apply to. For example, the Letty Pate Whitehead and St. Philip's scholarships are administered by the MCV Foundation, but are available exclusively to VCU School of Nursing students. These external scholarships have additional application requirements, and the application timeline may vary from the School of Nursing internal scholarship cycle. You can refer to the School of Nursing scholarship page, which is under Admissions and Financial Aid, for more information on how to apply for these external scholarship opportunities. Once the School of Nursing internal scholarship application opens, it will be shared with you 3 ways. 1, it will be emailed to you. This will be the main form of communication about all scholarships, so it is crucial that you monitor your student email for important links and deadlines. All scholarship-related emails will come from sonschool@vcu.edu. 2, it will be posted on the school's website under Admissions and Scholarships and Financial Aid. 3, it will be posted to Canvas. Here's the timeline for this application cycle. On April 14th, the scholarship application will go live. A red cap link will be emailed to you, posted to our website, and posted to Canvas. On May 26th, the application will close at 11:59 p.m. You must get a completed application in by the time it closes on May 26th. After that date, you will not be able to finish a previously started application. In June and July, the Scholarship Committee will meet to review all applications and select recipients. On August 1st, award notifications will be sent to students via their VCU email. So again, it is important that you check your email around this time. On August 11th, that will be the deadline for students to accept or decline their awards. I'll explain this in more detail later, but for now, know that this is a necessary step for you to receive your funding. So again, keep an eye on your email and complete any follow-up tasks required of you. On August 14th, I will send the scholarship information to the Office of Financial Aid and the VCU Graduate School for processing. I will share more details on that later. Please keep in mind, these dates, with the exception of the April 14th to May 26th application window, are subject to change. Please monitor your email for any updates about timeline. Once the application has opened, this is what it will look like. It should take you roughly 30 to 45 minutes to complete. And again, the link to apply will be emailed to you on April 14th. How to apply. 1. Keep an eye out for the scholarship application in your email on April 14th. It will also be posted on the school website and on Canvas. If you do not see it anywhere, feel free to email me at sonscall@vcu.edu. You must complete an application by 11:59 p.m. on May 26th. You will not be considered for scholarship support unless we have a completed application on file by that deadline. We also strongly encourage you to complete a 23-24 FAFSA or VASA as soon as possible. We have many scholarships at the School of Nursing, and more than half of them have a need-based component. So in order to qualify for any need-based scholarship, you have to have a FAFSA or VASA on file that shows a level of financial need. We will be pulling students' FAFSA and VASA information on or around May 29th, so we strongly encourage you to submit as soon as possible. More information on FAFSA and VASA can be found on the VCU Financial Aid website. Okay, so you've been checking your email regularly and you just saw that you received a scholarship. Congratulations. Now, what do you need to do? For your award to be applied to your student account, meaning for you to actually receive the money, you must do the following. You have to accept the award via a Google form link that will be shared with you in your award notification. This is mandatory. And you have to write a donor thank you letter. Further instructions will be shared with you in your award notification. Again, this is mandatory. We also ask that you plan to attend donor events like the MCV Foundation Scholarship Brunch, which typically takes place every spring. Further details will be shared with you in your award notification. Awarding of scholarships. Your award will be dispersed to your student account by the Office of Financial Aid for undergraduates and the VCU Graduate School for graduate students. We cannot guarantee a specific date when you will receive your award. These two units are responsible for applying the money into your account, and their processing timelines can vary, so it is very important to not be solely reliant on your scholarship. Once your award has been processed, the award money will first be applied to any balance on your student account. If there is no balance on your account, or if there is a surplus, you will receive your award as a refund, either via direct deposit or mailed check. You need to notify the Office of Financial Aid if you need to set up direct deposit. If you receive a refund, what you do with your money is completely up to you and entirely your responsibility. If you are awarded a scholarship and no longer meet the criteria, the scholarship will be revoked for the next semester. For example, if you receive a merit-based scholarship with a criteria of a 3.5 GPA, and after the fall semester you have a 3.0, you will not receive the scholarship in the spring. If you change majors and leave the School of Nursing between semesters, you will not receive the scholarship funds the following semester. Again, we cannot control processing timelines. It may take up to a few weeks into the semester before your scholarship money arrives into your account, so please plan accordingly. If you were awarded a scholarship in the 22-23 academic year, you are not guaranteed to receive the same scholarship this year unless it was stated in your award notification. If you do not receive a scholarship, there are a few options available to you. First, there is a chance that additional scholarship funds will become available through the School of Nursing after the initial round of scholarships have been awarded. This happens if scholarship recipients do not enroll, or if they turn down their scholarship. If this happens, the scholarship committee will review the scholarship applications on file and will look at the pool of candidates who did not receive a scholarship during the first selection round. However, this is not guaranteed to happen. I would also encourage you to look into VCU scholarships through financial aid to explore other methods of funding. And again, I would encourage you to look into other sources of scholarships available from external organizations like the Letty Pate Whitehead and St. Philip scholarships, which are listed on our website and regularly sent out via email and Canvas. If you have more questions, you can contact me at sonschool@vcu.edu. Contact me if you have questions about the application process, your award, or your donor thank you. I cannot view your student account and I cannot answer specific billing questions. If you have specific billing questions, I encourage you to reach out to student accounting. You can also reach out to Nicole Abdul, who is the financial aid counselor for the School of Nursing, if you have questions about FAFSA, FAFSA, or your financial aid package as a whole. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do not hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions.